Wow, just wow. It's a city that truly captivates the senses. Barcelona greets you like an old friend with open arms, wrapping you in sunshine and a gentle sea breeze that whispers tales of the Mediterranean. The city sits perfectly nestled between the sparkling azure Mediterranean Sea, a constant source of beauty and life, and the lush green hills of Collserola, a natural escape just a stone's throw away. Mountains on one side offering breathtaking views and hiking trails, sea on the other, inviting you to relax on its sandy shores. You can hike in the morning, breathing in the fresh mountain air, swim in the afternoon, basking in the warm Mediterranean sun, and feel the city's vibrant energy pulsing everywhere you go. The streets are alive with a symphony of sounds, music, filling the air with rhythm and soul, laughter, echoing from the terraces of countless cafes, and the irresistible aroma of fresh pastries wafting from every bakery. Every corner hides a delightful surprise, a traditional bakery tempting you with its sweet creations, a vibrant mural telling a story through its bold colors and intricate designs, a burst of color that brightens even the grayest of days. Art isn't just confined to museums and galleries, it's in the ornate lampposts that line the streets, the colorful tiles that adorn the buildings, and the whimsical benches that invite you to sit and soak it all in. Barcelona Art, a living, breathing gallery where creativity is an integral part of daily life. This city was built for wandering aimlessly, for happily getting lost in its labyrinthine streets, and for discovering unexpected moments of pure joy around every corner. So, lace up your most comfortable shoes, because we're just getting started on this incredible adventure. Barcelona is ready and waiting to show you all of its magic and hidden wonders. Let's go explore. You simply can't talk about Barcelona, this vibrant hub of culture and art, without mentioning the name Antoni Gaudí. He is synonymous with the city's architectural identity. He didn't just design buildings, he envisioned them as living organisms. He dreamed them into existence, breathing life into stone and steel with his boundless imagination. La Sagrada Familia is his magnum opus, his most ambitious and breathtaking masterpiece. A church that looks like a colossal sandcastle, intricately sculpted by the hands of time and faith, melting into the sky, its spires reaching towards the heavens like prayers taking flight, with columns that mimic the towering trees of a sacred forest, and stained glass that turns sunlight into a mesmerizing dance of rainbows, painting the interior with vibrant hues. Step inside and prepare to be amazed, and you're immediately transported into a breathtaking forest of color and light, a symphony of sensory delight. Park Güell is pure, unadulterated imagination, a whimsical wonderland, mosaic lizards that wink at you from hidden corners, gingerbread houses that seem straight out of a fairy tale, and a bench that curves and hugs you back, offering panoramic views of the city below. Gaudí's touch is everywhere. His unique style permeates the very fabric of Barcelona. Casa Mila's undulating, wavy stone facade, Casa Batlló's dragon-like balconies, each one a unique work of art. These aren't just ordinary buildings, they are extraordinary creations. They're captivating stories told in stone and tile, each detail whispering secrets of the past. Gaudí gifted Barcelona a distinctive language of curves that defy gravity, colors that ignite the senses, and a sense of childlike wonder that never fades. He transformed the city into a vibrant playground for the imagination, a place where dreams take physical form. Every glance reveals a new discovery, a hidden detail waiting to be admired. In Barcelona, the architecture itself dreams. It pulsates with life and creativity, and warmly invites you to dream along, to lose yourself in its enchanting embrace. What a truly extraordinary gift to the world. Barcelona's creativity didn't start with Gaudí, it was sparked by the cultural rebirth in the 1800s. Catalonia rediscovered its language pride and artistic spirit. Modernism, the local Art Nouveau, exploded. Wealthy patrons competed to build the most stunning most homes. The Ike Sample District became an open-air museum of bold, beautiful architecture. The movement wasn't just about buildings, it revived music, poetry, and painting. The Palau de la Música Catalana is a concert hall that sings with color and light. This era shaped Barcelona's identity, creative, proud, and fiercely unique. The Renaissance's legacy is everywhere: ceramic flowers, whimsical balconies, art in every detail. It's the city's DNA, a living story of resilience and imagination. In Barcelona, art isn't just history, it's alive on every street. That's the spirit you feel today. Life in Barcelona, it's a vibrant tapestry woven with sunshine, laughter, and the constant hum of activity. Largely happens outdoors. It's a city that embraces the open air. With endless sunshine almost every day, the city's plazas become everyone's extended living room. Perfect places to meet friends, share a laugh, and simply watch the world go by at a leisurely pace. Each placa, or plaza, has its own unique vibe and character, ranging from grand and imposing to intimate and cozy. And then there's the Mercat de la Boqueria, which is truly a feast for all of your senses. With vibrant displays of fruits, the tantalizing aroma of sizzling seafood, and the constant buzz of happy voices and lively chatter, be sure to grab a fresh juice, sample some delicious jamon, and simply soak up the incredible energy of this iconic market. Barcelona is truly a crossroads of cultures, where local tradition seamlessly meets global flair and innovation. Strolling along the beach boardwalk, you'll undoubtedly hear a dozen different languages being spoken, and you'll see the entire world represented in just one leisurely stroll. The city's vibrant outdoor culture is all about sharing food, sunshine, and those precious, unforgettable moments. From its beautiful sandy beaches to its bustling and lively terrazas or terraces, life here is communal, joyful, and full of energy. Here you're encouraged to slow down your pace, savor the simple pleasures that life has to offer, and allow the warm and inviting Mediterranean spirit to completely fill you up. The city's warmth isn't just reflected in its beautiful weather, it's deeply ingrained in the way the people of Barcelona truly live their lives. Barcelona warmly invites you to join in the celebration of life. This is living the Barcelona-style way. What's Barcelona's secret? It's the perfect blend of old and new. Ancient Roman walls stand beside cutting-edge design. Lose yourself in the Gothic quarter, then find modern art in El Raval. The city is always reinventing itself. Festivals, pop-up art, music in every corner. There's a relentless, inspiring energy here. Barcelona is a story in progress, and everyone adds their own chapter. It's more than a place. It's a feeling, sunshine, laughter, awe, and creativity. The city reminds you to live with passion, beauty, and a touch of playful weirdness. Barcelona's heart is huge, and it welcomes you in. So come. Walk the streets, taste the food, meet the people. Let Barcelona work its magic. You'll leave inspired and maybe a little in love. Adios.